Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and ventilated red leather seats, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual pane sunroof, lane keep assist, and forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these black doors with red accents with tons of extra paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with our rear liftgate controls, accompanied by our Bose speaker sound system. It comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with seat memory and your red and chrome accents. Of course, with your Chevrolet badging right there. You're going to have the driver adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have the vents with the red accent throughout the vehicle and your lighting controls right there. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your heated steering wheel. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information from fuel range, oil life, brake filter, air filter, other timer, speed limit, your adaptive cruise, as well as your economy, off-road. Of course, you can access other information, including your music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. Push to start up there with your auto stop right below it, and here onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in OnStar navigation as well. You can also access your built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as OnStar services and Chevrolet Maps Plus. So down below, you're going to have your climate control with your heated and ventilated seats with these two huge vents with two USB ports right in the center there. Sorry about that. You're going to have your wireless charger pad down below with your RS shifter. Of course, right below it, you're going to have your park assist, lane keep assist, as well as your two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive race, and trailer tow mode, as well as your off-road. Two more USB ports and an SD card reader with a 12-volt DC port. Lots of extra storage. Passenger side power adjustable. You're going to have that red chrome accents across the door and the dash as well. Access the glove box, just hit that. Top, you're going to have your speakers as well, regular and camera view mirror, as well as your OnStar services, your reading lamps, and your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 21-inch blacked out alloy wheels with paint match rear caps, black badging, and then the paint match keyless entry door handles with the black luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass in the back. More black badging, as well as your RS and your dual exhaust as well. Power lift gate. You're going to have extra lamps and hooks inside, as well as an extra 12-volt DC port. Of course, extra wheel storage and tools if you know how to change the tire. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, cup holder storage accompanied by the speakers. Comes up here to the power windows, your heated seat control in the chrome accents. You're going to have these red adjustable heated seats at the back, very comfortable, lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger driver's seat with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, and an AC wall charger with some extra storage down below. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as adaptive cruise control, dual pane sunroof, heated and ventilated leather seats, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.